Libra, hi and welcome to your love reading for the rest of the month of April. This is a general love reading and it may or may not resonate with each one of you watching. So you can watch other readings according to your sun, moon and rising placements in your chart. In this reading, we will be looking into the recent past, current situation and the near future and will clarify for more details. Finally, we will ask for advice from the universe. Please like, share, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment if the reading resonates with you, and feel free to switch the roles according to your story. And gender doesn't matter, guys. You have to understand that the female energy can resonate with the male and the male can resonate with the female. So please don't get stuck on that. Let's start the reading, Libra. The first card out is Four of Cups, the Seven of Cups and the Ten of Swords. The recent situation right now is Judgment, Eight of Pentacles and the Magician. Okay. For the near future, we have the Six of Cups, King of Pentacles and the Five of Pentacles. Okay, for the overall energy, we have the Page of Swords, something clarity coming towards you, and the bottom of the deck, we have the Death and Rebirth. Okay, so Libra, what I can see for you guys is, in the past, you have the Four of Cups, very bored energy, nothing is making you happy. Seven of Cups for the situation and the Ten of Swords. Okay, Ten of Swords for the other person is like all up in their head, very mental energy, and feeling totally like betrayed and left alone. They don't want to talk to anyone. You both are not talking and feeling this. You are feeling the boring. You don't want to indulge in anything. You don't. You're not. You have a lot of offers, but you're not accepting any. Lot of choices, but you don't want to accept any. Your person is also like they are showing their back towards the offers. If they are having these offers, they are not accepting any. You both are very much in your head about each other. A lot of water energy, and we have Scorpio, Pisces, Cancer. Then we have Leo, Sag, Aries. Here we have okay, yeah, we have strong Scorpio here. In the current situation, we have the Judgment, Eight of Pentacles and the Magician. Eight of Pentacles, lot of work need to be done in this situation. Lot of work to be done in this situation. Yes, you are manifesting, your partner is manifesting you. Judgment, you are waiting for divine intervention. You are not looking into anything. You are very depressive state right now. You don't see any positivity in the situation. Maybe in the recent past. Right now, manifestation, very strong manifestation. Again, the Judgment is also calling in your soulmate. You are just praying. You can see the gesture there. You're praying hard to your guides, spirits, gods, whoever they are. You're just begging them. Maybe your partner you are manifesting, and this is also kind of a manifestation. You're asking for this, and this is a past life connection, maybe a past life connection or a childhood connection or a old love story of yours. King of Pentacles, a very strong connection again. Feeling left out. Five of Pentacles, not seeing the bright side at all. Very much in Ten of Swords energy. This needs to be clarified. Death and rebirth. Yes, something is coming to an end. Let's see what is coming to an end. Is it your relationship, or are they coming out of a situation which is not serving them, or maybe you are coming out of a situation which is not serving you. Okay, we'll clarify with the Sun and Moon Tarot. Okay, I want to clarify the Judgment. What is the Judgment for here? Okay, the Judgment is clarified by, again, the Death and the Emperor. Yes, something is coming to an end, and you are gaining your power back. You are very much in your power. You're going to come in your power, or maybe you are already there. I mean, death and rebirth, you're feeling this transformation. Yes, Scorpio energy definitely must be very strong. Scorpio energy here, I can see. I can see this Virgo, lot strong Virgo. Okay, Libra, we will clarify the Eight of Pentacles. Is clarified by Seven of Wands and the Ten of Wands in reverse. I have this, all my cards are in upright position, so this is coming in reverse, so I'm keeping it as reverse. Seven of Wands and the Ten of Wands in reverse. So the situation is coming to an end, which you are trying to defend yourself from. Okay, we have, for Magician is clarified by the Wheel of Fortune and Ace of Swords. Clarity coming towards you very clearly. Page of Swords and Ace of Swords. You are getting, you are learning something regarding this, and the clarity is coming towards you, and the Divine is going to trying to bring in this union. Let's see Six of Cups. We will not talk still. Ace of Wands, very passionate, lot of passion in between you guys, and Four of Swords. Yes, we're not very hopeful again, I will say that, and taking your time, just wishing and manifesting. Ace of Cups, yes. Again, this is King of Swords in reverse. Okay, so the Knight of Pentacles, he is like, now he is not in this cutting energy. He's leaving this. He's not being very stern now. He is loosening up and being a Knight of Pentacles, and is getting the clarity, this new offer of love, which is they want to give it to you. They don't want things to be unclear between you guys. Okay, the Five of Pentacles is clarified by Ten of Cups and the Devil. One more card, and the Six of Wands. Victory. As I can see, the Devil is represented by Capricorn here. Maybe you are dealing with a very strong Capricorn sign, because we have the Five of Pentacles is being clarified by the Ten of Cups. Total happy home, happy life, family, lot of love, and the Six of Wands, victory. So this Devil is a strong Capricorn presence in this situation. Libra, you must be dealing with a Capricorn, or your person's chart has a Capricorn in their Sun, Moon or Rising placements very strongly, and or a Scorpio. Yeah, these must be the signs your person is dealing with, or they have in their chart. So a very positive outcome I can see. Ace of Cups, Knight of Swords, King of Swords in reverse. They are mellowing down. They are giving you this King of Pentacles offer in the future. Okay, let's ask for advice, Libra, for you. I will use the Romance Angel cards. Advice for Libra, spirits and guides, please. Advice for Libra. Trust. This situation is calling for you to have trust. You don't be in the energy of Four of Cups and Ten of Swords. Finances and career. Financial issues are the factor in your love life right now. So yes, as I said, the King of Pentacles, they are working and they are bringing you a very stable offer. Heart to heart conversation. Honestly discuss your feelings with each other. You don't be in this Four of Cups and Ten of Swords energy. Discuss your feelings. You are asked to trust this situation. Give your relationship a chance. Very much apt card I can see. Work on your partnership. You are asked not to give up on this. Don't give up on this, guys. Libras, you are asked not to. Focus. I mean, please see to your judgment what to do, because the advice for someone there out there is to give your relationship a chance, not to lose hope. Very clearly trust. All the cards are in the same this thing. And what is the reason for this is the finance and career. Financial issues are factors in your love life right now. They are, maybe they don't think like you, they are well enough for you. They don't think enough they can provide you with, and they want to be a King of Pentacles for you, which right now they are not. And yes, and heart to heart, if you think this is the one for you, go have a talk to them. Give your relationship a chance. This is work on your partnership. Trust. Very good advice, Libra. Whoever this resonates, I'll be very happy to know. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and comment if this resonates with you, Libra. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.